Hello students, in today's video we shall be doing a new topic on simple machines. In this topic we shall derive the new formula of efficiency as efficiency is equals to MA mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio into 100%. In our previous session we did that efficiency is equals to output work divided by input work into 100%. Now in this session what we will be doing is using this formula we will take out a new formula of efficiency, that is efficiency is mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio into 100%. Now in your BLE you might be getting the question like what is the relationship between efficiency, mechanical advantage and velocity ratio. So for that you need to answer efficiency is equals to mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio into 100%. Okay, now let us go to how to take out this formula from this formula. For this what you need to remember is you need to remember some of the previous formulas that you have done. We have done the formula of mechanical advantage, it is load by effort. Velocity ratio is effort distance by load distance. Output work, we had done this last year. Output work is what the machine is doing, lifting the load into load distance. Input work is what we are doing on the machine, that is effort into effort distance. So you need to remember these four formulas, then we will take out this formula very easily. Now let us go to see how it works. We know that from a previous session the formula of efficiency means how much of input work that machine is converting into useful output work, and we calculate that in the terms of percentage. We know this much. Now using this formula how to change into MA by VR into 100%. Now let us look at this formula. Efficiency is output work by input work into 100%, correct? Now efficiency, we know that output work is how much? Output work means load into load distance. Yes, just now I told you here output work is load into load distance and input work is effort into effort distance. So using these two formula we will put it here. So instead of output work what I'll write? I know that output work is load into load distance. So instead of output work I'm writing the formula load into load distance. Instead of input work I'm writing the formula effort into effort distance into 100%. It will come as it is. Here I am giving the reason why this output work and input work it changed into like this. It is because since OW means output work is equals to load into load distance and input work is equals to effort into effort distance, that is why I changed this into this. This is the reason. I need to give a reason when I change anything in the formula. Okay, now next is, now here see here, what do I see here? I see load by effort. Load is in the numerator, effort is in the denominator. Now what I remember, I know one formula that mechanical advantage load by effort is what? Mechanical advantage. So instead of writing this in the next step, in my step number 2, what I'll write? I will write instead of load by effort, I will replace it by mechanical advantage. So I'm going to write mechanical advantage in which place? Load by effort place I wrote mechanical advantage into load distance by effort distance. It will remain like that into 100%. Why this has come as mechanical advantage? Again I need to give reason. It is because load by effort is equals to mechanical advantage. That I've given the reason. Now my formula of efficiency, from this formula it has changed to this. Mechanical advantage into load by effort into 100%, right? Now what I need to keep in this formula, I need to put VR also, because if you remember in the question it was I have to prove that efficiency is equals to MA by VR. Now how to keep VR? What is VR? VR means velocity ratio. What I'll do, this mechanical advantage, it will come as it is here. My third step, efficiency is equals to mechanical advantage into, I know that load distance by effort distance is not VR, but I know that effort distance by load distance, if the load distance comes in the denominator, then that is a formula for velocity ratio. So I need to bring this LD below ED. Okay. So to do that, what I need to do is, LD was here, I brought that below ED, and in place of LD I have written 1. Okay, so after writing 1, the LD, it came down below ED. So what it became? 1 divided by ED divided by LD. Correct? Now here I can get the formula of VR. So in the next step, what will I write? I'll write efficiency is equals to mechanical advantage into 1 divided by, now this I can write VR in place of this, because ED by LD is equals to VR. So instead of this formula I've written VR. See here, I've given the reason, since ED by LD is equals to VR. So instead of ED by LD I've written VR. Now in my final step, I got it. MA into 1 is MA divided by VR into 100%. That means finally I got the new formula of efficiency, that is efficiency is equals to MA by VR into 100%. Hence I proved it. So this means that whenever I get a question on efficiency, I can calculate it by two methods. If in the question I've been given MA and VR, I can use this formula. If in the question I've been given output work and input work, I can use the other formula. Okay? Hope you understand. Thank you.